This is our interpretation of King Arthur and King Arthur's Camelot's Castle, where we combined engineering, arts, and literature together to create our interpretation, because apparently to scientists, the castle was never really found. Maybe it never existed, and neither did Camelot.
So this is water, and it's polar, and like this is oil, and it's non-polar. Amount of this inside of that, it'll float up to the top since it's oil, and it won't mix. And then whenever you put the oil, this oil absorbing powder, and leave it there, like since they both don't mix with the water, they like absorb each other, and then they make this thing. It's pretty cool.
Have your minds read by math?
Yeah.
Alright. Pick one from these two columns. But don't tell me.
Alright.
And the fourth column, is it Georgia?
Well, basically what this is going to do is going to throw frisbees, and there are 3 openings at the top, and the frisbees have to go in between the openings, and we score points through that.
These are the human body systems projects, and these are the mannequins. We started with the brain up here, with each lobe, like the temporal lobe and the frontal lobe, and we worked our way down to the intestines and the gallbladder and the pancreas and stuff.
Kidneys, and it filters the liquid, and it'll go down the utera, and it'll go to the bladder, which holds it, and when afterwards it'll come down here.
This is the solar oven, our solar oven. This is known as the poor man's oven. You can't afford a real oven, you get some of this baby, the solar oven. Not only do you save money, you save resources, you save the world.
Okay, so we have a balloon, and what we did is that we put a little bit of water inside of it, and then so whenever the lighter gets close to it, it won't pop it because of the water. It absorbs the heat and it diffuses it.
Pop because the pressure of the needles are being distributed around the balloon evenly.
I've had an opportunity to see a lot of different projects going on, learn some history. The water conservation project was excellent.
So what this is about the global water crisis, and it's just basically like how much little water that we have left. Like 97% of the Earth's water is too salty for anyone to drink, for us to use. 2% is locked up in ice, and only 1% is available for us to use. And then out of that 1%, 70% is used for agriculture, like farming and animals, and there's only 30% left for human use.
Basically, our project is to compare genes of a virus. The results are actually these 2 right there. They're better than the rest. This isn't the best one. This one is the DNA of the virus from the one in Pennsylvania, and it's this first one right here. Then the next one is the one in Missouri, then in Alabama. Basically, we looked at the DNA in it because it's separated into different strands, and we have to look at which ones they're most similar to.